Welcome to American Dream. I'm Susan Clark in Carmel by the Sea. Carmel is a picturesque community along the coast south of San Francisco, and it has always attracted artists and creatives. Today, we have a special treat. We're going to talk with Stephen Moore, who is the executive director and founder of Pac Rep Theater. Its home, where they perform, is at Golden Bough Playhouse. That's just gone under a huge renovation, and I'm so excited to show it to you. Come with me, and let's go talk to Stephen and see this fabulous theater. It's so good to see you again.
Oh, it's great to have you. I'm so honored that you're going to share our little adventure here with your viewers. Yeah.
Well, I'm so excited. Well, where should we start?
All right, well, we'll just start right here in the old lobby.
Okay.
Everyone will recognize the old lobby, although it's got a new paint job, and we got more names on the floor with our tiles.
Yeah, this is wonderful. These are all donors.
These are all donors.
And here they serve the cookies and the wine.
Cookies and wine, etc. And the box office, as it always has been, just revamped and a little prettier and a little cooler. All right, there it is, the grand stairway.
It's beautiful, yes.
After 4 years of building and raising money and putting up with all the challenges, this was the last piece. So this room will also be used for receptions and parties, special events.
Okay.
It'll be a source of income for us.
Somebody can rent
this room for a private party.
Idea.
Or if they're coming here as a group to see the show, they could reserve the room and do a private reception and then go to see the show as a group. So we can set up for people who want to do theater parties. So if you come here and turn and look at this new auditorium, it's just amazing. And we are just so thrilled with the way it turned out.
And pretty much every seat has a great view.
Yes, every seat, as you can see, follows the curves. So every seat is angled into direct center. So you are standing on our revolving turntables.
Yes.
These were permanently installed in our first phase, which was in 2011. And then a brand new addition, we now have a video wall that is 16 by 32.
So you're projecting a video.
So instead of projecting from the front, where you get shadows and you're sometimes projecting on the actors or on the set, the back wall, it's like having the ultimate in rear projection, but because it's really high-level video panels, it is sharp and beautiful. It's an amazing piece of equipment and a huge investment and a game changer for us. The Circle Theater.
Oh, yes.
So this theater, again, hasn't been open since the pandemic closed us. We were about to open. We're focusing on the main theater. We just spent $10 million rebuilding that main theater. So all the shows are going to be up there the rest of this year and through the middle of next year.
That's an amazing amount of money in a small community like this.
Well, it was a tremendous challenge. This historic, 114-year-old building. I mean, that's the foundation, the ground that was, has had theaters on it since then. We literally raised this building down to its studs. I mean, the walls were down, all the plasterboard walls off the walls, all the electrical plumbing, all was ripped out. It's all brand new, all new plumbing, all new electrics.
Well, you should be able to just concentrate on theater now and not buildings.
Well, that's the plan. That's the plan. This particular view right over the main entrance, I just love.
Yes.
And for concerts, people come up here and they're dancing, they're standing up, they're dancing in the aisles. And
this is really a bird's eye view, too.
Oh, it really is. Well, we just want everybody to come and enjoy themselves and just check out the new theater. And whether it's the rock and roll show or whether it's Finding Nemo with the kids and the grandkids and the great-grandkids, just come on down and check out the new Golden Bough.
As they say, there's no business like show business, and I can't wait to see the upcoming performances that Pac Rep has coming. Thanks for coming on this theatrical journey with me, and I look forward to our next adventure and our next segment. Until then, I'll see you around town.